Snuffy, blue lock. Don't think I've drawn him yet. So, pro footballer introduced a while ago. So it's the pose sort of side on, with the football in his hand. So if you have like a stencil or a bowl or a cup or something around that you could draw the football with, do use that. There's no shame in that at all. And if you like doing circles freehand, you could do that either. So head up here, roughly, right in the top sort of third of my page. So if you divide it like his chin in there. And so I'll just probably zoom in because it's a bit small. And I'm going to go with, so he's in profile, so I like to do noses when I'm in profile, and he's kind of got a really big nose. No offense, Mr. Snuffy. So it goes down, right? Curves. Curves in here. And then it goes up this way. Like it's real big. And then like his nostril just kind of curves around there. That was a big nose. Okay. So his eye then, he's got massive like eyelid lines, and it's kind of in line with his headband. So maybe, so we do like top of his nose here, right? Kind of curves that way. And then the headband comes across, it covers some of his eye. So that's why I'm drawing it first. So it goes this way. It kind of, it meets his ear, so it'll stop maybe there somewhere. And then his eyes are real big. Just looking for another reference for his eyes, because yeah, they're kind of like that all the time. Yeah, so like real dark eyelids. The lines for them are like real thick. Okay, so I guess just like here, right? We'll go down. Kind of spiky there. Goes under his headband. And it'll come out like there. And across. And this is all just black in here. Okay. So then the bottom eyelid line, very thick as well, comes up. And then I guess this will be his nose line. And then there's some hatching in there. The big iris circle is here. Okay, and then his pupil is a circle as well. So it's not black. It's like that. Okay, so that's kind of different to what we're normally drawing in blue lock. Then his hair, like his sideburn, there. And then he's got a smiling mouth. I guess we'll curve it up a bit just to make it look like a smile, right? And then to open his mouth a little bit as well. Down across, you can just see like his mouth is open like a little bit. And then his cheek down to his chin. curves around and goes up his jaw, underneath his sideburn, just there. We might be able to see like a little bit of his other eye sort of in here, but it's pretty dark. Does he have an earring on? Is that an earring? Does he have earrings? Yes. I think his right ear has an earring. I think. Okay. So this ear then out around there, and then an ear line. He's got blue lock thing. They all have sort of in there, and then like there's like a stud or something there. So in Blue Lock they all have these microphones in their ears. I think that's what that is. Either that or it's just a shadow, but they usually have them anyway. And then like his hair comes out from the back of it. He's got like, he's long enough hair. And a big headband. So the headband comes out here. It's like he's in Naruto. You could put the ninja headband. And then some hair spikes. Just spiking these curved lines, you know, like hair is the easiest way to do it. It's just these kind of spikes. And then the headband kind of like disappears in here somewhere. And then we go around. And there's like some textures and stuff all in here. Then we have that blue lock symbol, right? So it's the easiest way to do that. It's like black, I guess. So there's like these little white little things like that, but like this forms another symbol inside. Tricky enough this now. So this is optional. You don't have to draw this. I'm trying to get it look like the blue lock shape as well. In that one is the hard part. Right, kind of like that's kind of like a star in there or something. Okay. So like his neck muscles here, and they disappear into a high collar that he has, so comes around this way. Bumps a bit because there's like a zipper on it. Comes around his neck there. Yeah, and we'll fit in a good bit of his torso. So the high collar comes around and then it like bumps down, right? So he's kind of like leaning forward. So the chest comes forward, the belly goes in, and then his hips kind of come out. So it's like a snaking sort of line. Right, and there's a zipper line as well, so just trace that again. And then we got like his shoulder sticking out here, and then the rest of his body area. There's another black line around here, around the base of the tracksuit. There's like some black, I think more blue lock symbols, but, or maybe it's not. Looks different. So what's that? Zipper, and then another black line around here. So his back kind of just comes out, down towards his arm. Just like a wavy sort of line, because it's all, you know, fabric and clothing. And his hands in his pocket. Sort of here. Then his pants comes down there. And he's got like a white stripe coming down his sleeve. You just pretty much follow this. And if you want, like, he's got like aura, sort of black. Where's he from? France? There's a flag here anyway. It's either Italy or France or Ireland. Go on, Ireland. Definitely not Irish. There's like lots of black and stuff. Okay, so hand here holding the ball. So it's just like comes out this way. The ball is like in here, right? But we can just see 3 fingers. Pinky first. Okay, so that's his base of his hand and his pinky. Then the ring finger. And then the middle finger just sort of sticking up there, right? The ball is like in there. So if you have something that's the right size, you know, a circle, that's obviously way too small. But you could trace around. Compass, stencil, all these things are useful. Professional artists use them all the time. So don't let anyone tell you it's cheating or anything. Right, so the ball comes in. I'm going to just try and fit it in here, sort of. We're going to go up to there. Just check, see if it's like the right size before you commit, you know. But if you're using a pencil, you can, which I recommend, you could erase pretty easily. Right, so then the pattern on footballs can be tricky as well, right? So feel free to trace this, like if it's too crazy. But you start with this sort of 5-sided thing. It's got like an arrow pointing up, and then comes down. So then the rest has like 6-sided. The white ones are 6-sided. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6-sided, and then the black ones are 5-sided. So like this, say, joins to the corner of another black one, but that's a white pad as well. And so say you have another one like this. Okay, so and it's flipped upside down. So then this joins here, then this goes here, and then this finished the 6-sided one in there. So it kind of looks like a face, 2 eyes. They're the black ones. That's his nose. Okay, and you got to build off this. So another black one in here. Sort of gets skinny because the ball curves as well. So there's a lot in this sort of drawing this thing, so it can be difficult, if you're not used to it. Right, and then up here as well. And there's all black dots and stuff around. Lots of energy coming off Mr. Snuffy. Snuffy, how would you pronounce it? I don't know. Okay, love Blue Lock. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.